All new working codes in Blue Lock Rivals. Welcome. We are going to literally show you every single new working code inside of Blue Lock Rivals with the new style as well. There's going to be a reworked style. Ring update. The ring style rework with the flow rework as well. So ring is going to get a new rework in the next week, which is kind of cool. But let's actually redeem every single new working code inside of Blue Locks, because there is a lot of them. You can actually get yourself a bunch of free spins as well as some free strawberries. You can also get yourself some free strawberries. If you want some free strawberries, be sure to watch to the end, because otherwise you can't actually get yourself all these free strawberries. First code is going to be the Toyota, okay, Toyo. It's the Otoya code, okay, Otoya code. Free lucky spins. And ring update is going to happen in a couple days, which will be very cool. If you're watching this video right now, be sure to actually follow the event. Follow the actual event. If you follow the event on Roblox of the game, we will get more codes. So that's a big announcement, you know, big announcements for you guys to actually follow the event. Don't forget to also like and subscribe, because that is a must. That is actually a must. The next code will be gems. But first, guys, if you do need yourself a extra slot for yourself, for your style, for your flow, anything, you can actually get yourself an extra slot right here if you comment down below ring. Okay, so RIN. Comment down below RIN. RIN update next week, which is going to be insane. The next code, gems. Gem reaction. Gem reaction, 10 lucky spins. You can actually get yourself 10 lucky spins. Do not miss out on any of these very cool codes. You can actually redeem these, a lot of lucky spins. You can actually get yourself a bunch of lucky spins by redeeming this code and literally liking and subscribing. Also, don't forget to follow the event on Roblox. You know, notify, click on notify me. If you click on notify me on the event, we will be getting a extra code. So the developers will be actually giving out more codes. There will be more codes if you click this notify me button. Click it, okay? If you're on the website, or I'm not really sure how to click it on mobile, because mobile is just a bad layout maybe. But notify, click on notify, and we will be getting more codes. Right now I clicked it, okay? There's 700k people interested. I believe if there's 1.8 million, we'll be getting an extra code for a lot of lucky spins.